Hi guys, what's up and a very good morning to all of you. आज 15th August है. Today is Independence Day. Here's wishing all the viewers a very happy Independence Day. I know most of my algorithm is Indians. Most बोले तो 95% I think. 5% होंगे इधर उधर के. ये रेड रेड क्या है इसमें?
ये पूजा किया है तो ये एक जो शीतला सातम है उसके लिए माँ को अग्नि का।
अरे बारिश हो रहा है
और बहुत जोर से। आज तो होता ही है ना हर साल।
Oh, by the way, I didn't show you our flag. आज पहली बार मेरे वर्किंग करियर में I have an off on Independence Day. So, yep, I am an independent bird indeed. Actually, already have one thing planned. We have an event that we need to attend. It's by Unfinished again, and Tanishq is playing today, so we will be going there. के आसपास एक दो छोटे छोटे काम है आई गेस बट आई डोंट नो हाउ वी आर प्लानिंग दैट एनीवे आई विल बी टेकिंग यू अलोंग सो यू विल आल्सो गेट टू सी हाउ आई एम स्पेंडिंग दिस इंडिपेंडेंस ऑफ
An empty space right now. Hi. You guys are waiting.
वरुण को हैप्पी इंडिपेंडेंस डे
डांडिया डे खीखी खाखा
शुद्ध खेल खेलना की
क्या ढूंढ रहे हो और मम्मी
अरे 7 डांडिया है ना तो और एक होना चाहिए।
हाँ होना तो चाहिए
साथ को बोलता है छह तो ये क्या
दैट ओके ओके नाइस
एल बीचो
स्यू says God.
Nice name.
ये एली इसका नाम देखो ना एलियाहू अवास्कर है इसका दैट्स हिज रियल नेम
अरे बाप रे।
नहीं इसी में था।
बिना नहाए लंच कर लिया इस पे आपके क्या विचार है
अरे 7
अरे अनदर वन
एक बेलन दे दो तो उधर से
तो ठीक तो हुआ 6 है 7 कहाँ है?
एक गायब हो
चमा निकाल को देख देता है
अरे 6 तो हो गया।
तब तो काम हो गया
तब तो हो गया क्यों खुला हुआ है
मतलब शुरू से 6 ही था
हाँ हम बोला 6 तो मम्मी बोला नहीं 7 है ए वीडियो दिखाओ आप
रिवाइंड करना होगा
play a game at 41 people will excuse
मैं क्या बोल रहा था हम लोग आज भी जिम का वो नहीं किए पता नहीं। Grooming time. It's finally time to review this bad boy. Time to review. Please go on, कैसे? Okay. What? On. I won't lie, I'm a bit lost here. Sections तो बड़ी है, बड़ा करना क्या है? Not bad. It was really easy to do. अब आप आप लोगों को स्टाइलिंग करना है तो उसमें थोड़ा टेक्निक्स जैसे होते हैं, यू नीड टू यूज दोस, बट इफ यू जस्ट यूज इट लाइक अ नॉर्मल हेयर ब्रश, it will give you like a very natural, not a blow dry effect, but a very natural non-frizz effect, which is exactly what I need. So yeah, it has like 5 heat settings too, so I used it on the low wala setting. Cool setting bhi hai isme, by the way, which is great. 3.5 or a 4 on 5. Bebo, मैं प्यासा हूँ, I'm thirsty. फिर से कुछ हुआ है. This road is quite green.
Yeah.
By the way, I'm also carrying my Gucci. Gucci gang, Gucci gang, Gucci gang. My sister-in-law and brother-in-law, Rishabh and DQ, had gifted this during our wedding. So even today I took out this bag and I put it back क्योंकि मुझे लग रहा था it will be a little extra, but then by the way we are going to JW, no?
Yeah.
We are going to JW for that event that I was telling you all about. So I thought fancy जगह जब मैं रोज नहीं जाता हूँ तो रोज वाला बैग क्यों ही मैं फैंसी जगह भी यूज करूँ. So that हर रास्ता ऐसा क्यों नहीं हो सकता है. Thoughts? We have come to Gotham's. We've stopped here क्योंकि it's around 6 right now and we are a little hungry. We are also mainly here क्योंकि Tanishq is going to start playing after 7. We had thought he's playing like we'll be there by 7, but he's playing around 7:30. So we do have some time to kill. इसीलिए हम लोग अभी इधर आए हैं. हम लोग एक छोटू सा रिफ्रेशमेंट और स्नैक ब्रेक ले रहे हैं. We've ordered for rolls and hot and cold chocolate. By the way, in case you haven't tried Gotham's का cold chocolate, please do, क्योंकि मैंने अभी recently try किया है and it's so good. You should try it if you haven't. Break over, pet puja done. Like I had said, this cold chocolate did not disappoint. Oh, by the way, we were sitting in the car only and we were having our food and we were watching.
Tanmay reacts.
Yeah, we were watching Tanmay reacts.
It's actually nice.
Yeah.
Good time pass.
Yeah. क्रेजी तो करता है वो.
It's too simple and does not involve any investment and yet earning money. Everyone from their desktop they are
He's
joining.
made a brand out of it himself only, no?
Yeah.
That's why. हर गाड़ी का सीट बेल्ट ना मेरे पुदर मतलब एकदम गले तक आ जाता है and it always gives me like a rash over here. इसलिए मुझे बार बार ऐसा करना होता है सीट बेल्ट को क्योंकि it's just not meant for me, I guess. Turns out we were in the wrong place. Thought so, क्योंकि naturally क्योंकि music सुन के लग ही रहा था कि this can't be it, sis. So it's at the ballroom 1, 2.
I don't know, you just ask me.
It's at the ballroom, so that's where we are headed. Quick update, we have lost our valet card. Waiting, we'll have to fill a form and submit our ID. उसके बाद they will get the car. Hunting.
এইটাকে লসটাকে নিয়েছে এটা লাগিয়ে দিবি হ্যাঁ আপনার নাম
Hi guys, we are back home. I am done changing my clothes. अभी तक face wash नहीं किया है. Face wash and skin care is still left. But I'll do that in a bit. अभी फिलहाल I will be helping Devesh record a set. For those of you who don't know, Devesh is he's learning to become a DJ. It's been over 3 months now that he's practicing and doing his classes etc. तो आज उसको एक set record करना है जिसमें I will be helping him because apparently that is my department. So yes, we'll be doing like a small setup, like lighting and setting up the tripod etc. So we'll do that and then done maybe. I'll have nice entertainment while I edit. बाकी as such तो अभी के लिए उतना ही है. मम्मी पापा have gone for dinner, तो we'll be figuring out something for ourselves. I'm very full from that roll though. I mean,
yeah
no?
you're just feeling
Yeah. So yes, I think I should get to work now, and I'll see you very soon. Alright guys, that was it for today's vlog. I hope you liked it and I hope it was entertaining to you in some way, shape or form. As you can tell, I have still not done my skincare क्योंकि I started editing and flow में मैंने पूरा ही complete कर लिया है almost. I'll just add this outro clip and I'll be good to go. As always, thank you so much for all the love and support that you have been showing to me. Do drop a like on this video and leave a comment so that I know you were here. If you're watching and you haven't subscribed, please do it. It'll cost you nothing. And yeah, I will see you guys very soon in the next one. Until then, bye.